How to delete conversation on Messenger. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can delete conversation on Messenger. For that, open your Messenger application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you reach to this page, from the chat list, find the person's conversation whom you want to delete. Once you find the conversation you want to delete, you just need to tap and hold the message you want to delete, and from the bottom you will find the pop-up menu from where you can find delete option. Click on this delete option and it will ask you to confirm if you really want to delete this conversation. Once you delete it, it will remove entire conversation from your account, and once you delete it, it can't be undone. If you are okay with that, go ahead and tap on that delete button right here and you will be able to delete a conversation on Messenger. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.